Hi guys, YouTube and Facebook. Hi, my name is Gam, and I'm doing a documentary work. I have been shooting for my documentary work for almost 3 years now, and I study and did a research in the YouTube, and I try to get one very fine video camera. Photo is not that much for my interest, but time to time I shoot it. So today I would like to talk about my camera here. Here, one, two, three, four, five. This one is six. Okay. Yeah. This is my GH5. Actually, I have been using my GH4 for maybe 2 years or 3 years. GH4 was amazing, very nice camera. That time was a GH4 was the best for the that price range, around 2000, below 3000 range. A GH4 was the best. So when I shot it GH4, a very good result. And last year this GH5 came out, and I sold it my GH4 and I bought this GH5 again. And GH4 was a little bit limited to the low light capabilities, but when I get it, this GH5, it's amazing camera and very good, a fantastic camera. But low light is better than GH4, and also dual stabilizer is good for oh, something is making noise here. Oh, it's sensor is moving around because inner body image stabilizer. So here the GH5 I just bought GH5 maybe some months ago, not yet 1 year, and came out another GH5s again. So now I'm confused at the between. So GH5 is very good for me, but still then I'm thinking whether I will upgrade to my GH5s or not. But many people say that GH5s is not a replacement of GH5. Well, but still then I'm a bit confused, and especially my lens. My lens is Olympus 1240 2.8. 1240 2.8. It's very nice zoom lens. And before I bought this, and I was looking at the comparison. Panasonic native lens 12 to 35 mm at 2.8, and I look at on YouTube that one guy that compare. Actually, during my GH4, I was using kit lens 12 to 35. I need some low light capabilities, so I was looking for the lens. And first of all, I took Samyang 12 mm T2. That is especially cinema lens. They call it the different name, T2. So I thought it will be good for the low light. But when I went and bought it, and unknowingly I sold it out my Panasonic 12 to 35 mm f2.8. So after that I searched low light capabilities. Then I found it, this 25 mm. This is prime lens. This lens is, so far I started using, the day I use this lens is just amazing. and of course this is low light, very good for the low light, and shallow depths of field a little bit, but may not be as good as a full frame. But still then this is 25, that equivalent to full frame is 50, maybe 50 mm. So I need some kind of, you know, wide angle again. So this is a bit far. 50 means it's somehow very far. It's kind of portrait lens. This is portrait lens is very good. A portrait lens is very good. And I need 12 mm or 7 to 8 mm. So this was a kit lens free gift the day I purchased GH4. This I need to go and collect it to the company, Panasonic. So this was 45 to 150. That means 45, 90 to 300. Oh, it's very long already. It's very long. But unfortunately, this lens is only f4. F4 is low light is terrible. This low light not good. But still then daytime will be amazing, very good result. And again for the GH5, since I sold it out my 12 to 35 f2.8, so I need to again I do a research. People using the 12 to 35 f2.8. So that time I regret it. Oh, I have sold it out the best lens for kit lens for GH4, GH5. So that's why I need 12 mm again, 12 to 35 or whatever. So while I was searching, and I saw the comparison of Olympus and native lens of this GH4, GH5, 12 to 35 mm, f2.8. So when I see the comparison, the version 1 was now Singapore dollar around 700 or 750, yeah. So that time when I see the comparison, and I find it out, the Panasonic native lens is look not cheap, but very lightweight. That lens was not a weather seal. But since I bought this GH5 and it has inner stabilizer, so that's why I don't feel need of lens stabilizer. So that's why I bought it Olympus. It's very feel good and, you know, very nice lens. This one it's amazing. Wow. See, look at that. The build quality is fantastic. You know that. It's very nice. Sharp, very sharp, and also weather seal. Again, then I heard about some rumors about GH5s coming again. Oh my God. You know, I thought it will be exactly like GH5, the inner stabilizer, and also low light capabilities, and what else? Yeah, a lot more I expected. But when it came out and I couldn't sleep, you know, I was waiting the whole night, and you know, when it came out, so they say that it is not a stabilizer inner body, or that there is no eyepiece. Maybe many of us are discouraged. And again, I thought of the same stabilization will be inside the body. That's why I took this a tele lens again. This is very beautiful lens. This is weather seal. You can go and shoot ice mountain. You're freeze proof and splash proof. So this lens is 40 to 150, 2.8. So that means in full frame body, 80 to 300 mm at 2.8, good for low light. Usually tele lens is 2.8 means it costs a lot. Yeah, everybody knows that. So at the same time here, with the tele converter here, tele converter, you know, right? The tele converter, and this one, you take out this, and then you put it this tele converter. Oh, where is that? Okay, here the red one. Okay. Oh my god, this tele converter, and then you take out this, and you take out GH5 body. This is actually Olympus, and then this is red here. Wow, boom, man. Okay, here, look. Wow, my goodness, come on. So this lens is, you can go for hunting. You can go for sports photography and wildlife photography, yeah, portrait as well, and also video capabilities. You will have some bokeh and also some shallow depth of field with the GH5. Yes, yeah, go. Oh my god, oh my. Okay, well, oh, like this, man. So what else? The problem is, if I upgrade to GH5s, then this lens is no stabilizer with the body of Panasonic. So that is my problem, no stabilizer. So GH5s has removed IBIS. So that's why my point is here. What I want to know is how I will do with my lens. Of course, I want a GH5s because of low light capabilities. It's also a slow motion as well. Of course, weather seal body is also a GH5s, and different aspect ratio. Sensor is a little bit bigger than micro four third sensor, but okay, I don't mind. But my problem is here, do I need to get GH5s, or how you guys think? Here I would like to request some of our friends, those who have pre-production camera GH5s. I have seen all the reviews of GH5s. It was so inspiring, but maybe for some feel discouraged. Actually, I want to see the lens for my video. Sigma 1835 mm 1.8 with the speed booster. So far, I didn't see yet a GH5s with speed booster. The footage that I want to see, maybe some of you guys can make a comparison, which speed booster should use, which speed speed booster should fit for the GH5s. I want to request you guys, Sigma, I want to use GH5s with Sigma lens, one of the sharpest lens in the world right now. So guys, please help me out that I am shooting for my documentary work. I like low light capabilities, so that's why I'm requesting some of you guys can come up with the GH5s with the Sigma lens metabone speed booster. So thank you guys for your attention. Mostly I shot with the religious documentary and traveling documentary, culture and custom documentary. So I'm just a beginner, I'm still learning. And thank you YouTube, I have learned so many things that all the senior friends, they have shared their ideas, their knowledges, all over YouTube. And every day I knew most of you guys, which they have shared their camera and all the settings and all the lens stuff. And please keep comments below, please subscribe, and please give a thumbs up. Thank you. So thank you YouTube guys, may God bless you. Thanks.